Good job.
One, two, three.
That's right. 3 babies.
One, two, three.
Wow.
What do you see? Wait, quickly. What do you see? What?
Kira, what are you reading?
I believe it's what?
Oh, you're reading a book. What's the book called?
So,
Is it called Counting Christmas?
yeah. So white.
Ah, and you're sitting on Snow White? Oh, okay. Kira, I love you.